Hi there, this is Sam from Ghlsaaskits, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can set a free plus shipping funnel in GoHighLevel. Like this example, you can see we have a product called My Amazing Book, which is actually free, but into the order summary it's showing domestic shipping, which is $7. Okay, so you can give away any of the physical product for free, but you can charge the shipping fee. For example, for the domestic shipping fee it's $7, but if you want to send for other countries like international, then let me reload the page and show you. When you switch to the other country, like in this example I have used United States as my domestic country, but in case if I switch to United Kingdom, then you can see the shipping price will be changed. Okay, here it is. So now it's showing $19 and it's showing the international shipping. This way you can set up your free plus shipping funnel in GoHighLevel. For a real example, you can see here the book from Russell Brunson called Expert Secret. He actually giving away his book free, but he charges for the shipping fee for this book. Let me show you step by step how we can set up this into the GoHighLevel. Okay, here the snippets library into the Ghlsaaskits. You just need to go to the snippets, and then if you don't see the free plus shipping code snippets at the very top, then all you just need to search it here, plus, yeah, you can see here this one. So I'm going to use this one, click get code, and then you will see the form where you need to put some information. So let me explain one by one. Into the GSL page editor, just add your two-step order form, and then go to the style tab from the settings, and then at the very bottom you will see the CSS selector. Just copy this and then go back to your GSL code snippets library, and then put this CSS ID for here, and just delete the part which you do not need. Only need the last part, okay, the very last part. So I'm going to delete everything else. That's it. And then we have actually three different products. Okay, for a free plus shipping funnel we need three products, because we have the main product which is actually free, then the domestic shipping fee, as well as the international shipping fee. So the thing is you need three different products to create inside your GoHighLevel. We'll also show that. So let me take the information from here. Okay, so one more thing I want to mention here, you can see here our book is free, that's fine. My international shipping fee is $19 and the domestic shipping is $7. Okay, so here let me go back from here and then go to the product tab. Okay, the same funnel step, go to the product tab, and then you'll see we have three different products. Okay, you can see the price is different because inside GoHighLevel you cannot create a product without any price. Okay, so you must need to give at least $1 to create the product. Okay, that's why our main product, which is actually free, is price is $1. Then our domestic shipping, which is $7, but we priced it as $6, and the international shipping, which is actually $19, but the price is here for $18, because this 18 and plus 1 which actually make 19, right? And the same way for $6, which is a domestic shipping fee, and your product is $1, so this will actually make $7. And also inside your order form, the item order summary, okay, the item name will actually show you the free. Okay, this is how actually the code snippets work. So let me get all the information, like My Amazing Book, which is my main product, so I'm going to put it as my default product ID, and then the domestic shipping, let me go back and put it here, domestic shipping, and then the international shipping, let me put it here. Okay, so now we need to select the domestic country. Okay, so you just need to put the shortcode of the country. Okay, so let's say if you want to use UK as a domestic country, you need to make like this. Okay, just put the shortcode of the country. So by default it's US, so I'm going to put it for US, and the main product price is $1. I already showed you, and the main product display override. Okay, so here you can see the main product, here is it, and the display override, Okay, so it actually the $1 in backend, right? So we set it free here. Okay, there's the text. So if you want to say something else, then you can put it here now, like free now. Okay, if I put it here, that will be also work. And then the domestic shipping, the actual price, which is $6, because the $6 plus $1, which will make domestic shipping fee for $7. Okay, and also the same way we need to put the total domestic price display, which is $7, and the same way it's for the international shipping. Like our international shipping price is $1 plus $18 plus $1, which is actually $19. Okay, so once we do this setup, always just need to select the domain from here. Okay, and you might need to install the code snippet, the exact domain you selected here. Okay, otherwise it will not work. Even if you just visit the page into the preview, let me show you for example. Okay, here you can see if I just click here the preview button, it will not work, because when you use the preview, then it will just use the GoHighLevel base domain. Okay, so that's why it will not work. You need to visit the custom domain like this. Okay, so I already set my custom domain here, and then just click this button, go back to your GoHighLevel page builder, and then add a code option. Okay, the HTML and JavaScript option, like this. Yeah, this one, just put it here. Okay, I am going to delete the previous one, and then open the custom JavaScript and HTML input field and put your code, save it, publish it. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, it's taking some time to set up because I am just explaining everything to you. Okay, but when you do this, then it will not take this much of time. Okay, so now if I visit the page, it should work. Okay, so let me show you. So okay, here all the information added. If I choose the United States as it was my domestic country, so let me put it here. You can see. Okay, now you can see my amazing book into the order summary is showing me free now, which we set up here. Yeah, the free now, and then the shipping fee is $7. Okay, which is actually the $1 main product price, then $6 domestic shipping, which is make the $7. Okay, so into the page, okay, your customer will see like this. Okay, and also when they just switch the country, okay, from the domestic to international, which is any other country, then it will show them the international shipping price like this. Okay, let me show you. Okay, you can see now my amazing book, which is actually free now, but the international shipping is $19. So I think you get the idea how we can set up the exact same type of free plus shipping funnel like the click funnels do for their product. Or if you want to set up the same funnel for your product into GoHighLevel, then you can definitely do this by using the GSL code snippets. Until now, if you don't have the GSL code snippets library, okay, access, then just go to our website, Ghlsaaskits, and then subscribe your plan, or you can also get started for free. Okay, but to get access to our premium course snippets, you need to upgrade your account, but still we have a lot of free snippets. If I go to here, yeah, you can see we have a lot of free snippets, but if I go to the premium, then we have tons of different categories, and we have over 200 plus course snippets in our library. Just grab the lifetime deal, or you can get the subscription monthly fee, which is $47, and you can use any snippets you want. So it's a very good option for you to enhance your GoHighLevel pages or funnels or anything you want. Okay, so thanks very much. Have a nice day.